Alright, it's been a while since I've posted a video or done anything with this old girl. This is the CT70 that I bought 2 years ago. I finally got round to putting some new bits on and restoring it, or semi-restoring it. Got it going. At the moment, as you can see, it's in like a primer. I need to source a new front guard. It's got too many holes in the front. But otherwise, yeah, she runs real good, and had to fix a few electrical problems. So we had a faulty wire in the loom, but found that and repaired that. Some new tread and the addition of fuel filters. Now I'm waiting on a air filter as well, which is probably due anytime soon, to replace the factory, the stock one, which had pretty much perished. Anyway, my next video, I'll give it a start and see how we go from there. Cheers.